Well folks, welcome back to our channel. We're here doing a Valentine's Day collab with a couple of tough characters. I don't know, I might have a tiger by the tail. Right here on my take on Home and Garden. Okay, this collab is sponsored by Antoinette from Decorating Aunt's Place. And also we're here with our good friend N, and her channel name of course is Renters Love Luxury by N. So I don't know, these girls are tough. I gotta get with it. Let's see how we can do. Now, the table it's a sweet, intimate Valentine's table in the Victorian style. So let's get going. Now when I think Victorian, we all know, certainly most of us, where it comes from, and that's Queen Victoria of England. Her reign and lifetime is what they call the Victorian era. So that was, 1830s to 1910s, somewhere right in that zone. That's what we're talking about. Anyway, particular style of dress, decor, and art, and we're gonna follow along with that note. Now, I can't think of any other flower to use for Valentine's Day other than red roses. I think last year I used white. We're going a little different this year, and with the red roses I gotta have ferns. Now we have a couple different kinds. We have cabbage rose, like these, and we have a hybrid tea rose. That's this style. Try to make it quick and painless. And if you were getting a table ready for your queen, you would probably use at least a dozen red roses. Now we're gonna probably up it a bit. And I think I want to use this incredible red wisteria, which is real popular in that era. We want taller in the middle. Those would be the few guidelines. Now we gotta send it over the top for the Victorian style, and we're gonna go with a candelabra. And I want to get these hearts to hang in our arrangement. Just get them around the outside of this. All our white today is in the tablecloth, and I used one little baby's breath. What I want to showcase today too, which would be completely American, it's the 1876 Cape Cod series sandwich glass in the antique red by Avon. Next we're going to do a charger. And again, I wanted to stay with red. We're going to have a wine carafe. We're going to have some fruit on the table, and we're going to take care of that with about 3 different kinds of apples. Next, guys, are incredible Cape Cod sandwich glass in Avon's 1876 series. We're going to go with the salad plate. And we're going to go with an all cotton napkin with the Cape Cod napkin ring. We're going to put them on top. We're not worried about them on top today because we have a lot of red, and that's how we're going to break up our red today on a little diagonal for each person. I'll tell you, I don't get to see it like this very often. A lot of cute pieces of this set, folks. Butter dish. We can get that in there. Cream and sugar. I want a cordial glass with this table because I love using them for an opening dinner toast. How about a champagne? And we can't forget the salt and pepper. I think possibly if you were in Queen Victoria's court at the time and you couldn't set a proper table, you probably were sent down the road. In fact, I'm sure of it. Now we're really going to make this romantic with one last little touch here, guys. Look at this, last minute. Here's the dinner bell. I think we've got it. Now I'm going to have to take you and show you all around. And also, friends, I'd like to say thanks to Antoinette from Decorating Aunt's Place for inviting us to this collab, and of course our other sweet friend Ann from Renters Love Luxury by Ann. Please check out their channels. They're just wonderful. And we do these collabs so that our subscribers can go back and forth and check out other channels that are like ours. That's why we would give a shout out. I don't know, folks. If somebody put a table like this together for you, could you come eat at it? Would you be impressed? If you would, leave a comment, a happy face, a subscriber. Let us know what you think in the comments. Thanks to all our subscribers, and thank you for following us on Instagram. We're trying to be inspirational. This one even got to me. Take care now, and we'll see you in the next romantic video. I just need a violin. Jeepsy, Jeepsy, violin please.